Hi friends, welcome back. And this is Lokesh. And today we are going to discussing about our introduction to NUnit in Selenium C Sharp. Okay, this is basically a completely information about the NUnit. What exactly we are going to do. Okay, if you see the my starting playlist. Okay, as we are started for NUnit framework. Correct. By using the NUnit framework, we are doing for all the what are the things we learn about the basic things we have done, right? But we are not seeing the complete structure about that, how what exactly the NUnit and what are the things we can able to use, how we can able to use the hooks concept and all. We are not seeing that, right? In these particular sessions and coming sessions also, I'm going to teach you how we can able to use for fixes and how we can able to run in the command lines. Those all the things I'm going to show you. And even I can able to show you for data driven, how you can able to write in an Excel sheet. You can read that and write that. Those are the things also we can see in this particular concepts. Okay. If we go for here, you type nunit.org. Okay, and by default this particular NUnit website will be open. Okay, and here you can able to see the first whenever you open here you can able to see NUnit is a unit testing framework for all .NET languages. These all the .NET language unit testing purpose they created for NUnit. Okay, by unit for this one JMeter, the similar format of JUnit, the similar format it will be there. The current production release is a version of 3 has been completely rewritten in the many new features and supported in the wide framework. Okay, and if you see that any unit team coordination strong teams and up providing for the versions and all. Okay, and if you see the any fundamentals, what are the fundamentals you can able to use that all the things and license and about that particular NUnit foundation and everything they can able to provide here. Okay, if you click for the documentation, okay, they will provide some set of documentation here. Okay, in the first topic is there, right? You can able to click that one. Okay, and even if you click here back and NUnit versus test generator is another one is there. Okay, if you want you can learn there also. Okay, whenever you click it will give for the list of topics. NUnit 4 is presented. Okay, and if you see the getting started and here you can able to see how you can able to install and all. Okay, using our C# dev kit also you can able to install for this project. Okay, and this project whenever you done this one that particular NUnit it will provide for the list of items. If you see here and dependencies, the package is why it is not opening, why it is not opening projects. Why it is not opening for any adapters? It is basically it will open for dependencies when we click it. Not sure why it is not. I'll close and reopen. It will open some window like this one, right? If you see this one, the packages, when you click on for dependencies or packages, it will open for all the packages related stuff here, but it is not opening here now. Okay, but you can see there are set of things in it. NUnit 3.14 and NUnit analyze 3.9 and NUnit test adapter. These are the three main NUnit packages. By default, it will install whenever you choose for NUnit project. It will provide you, and even you can able to see these are the items group also it will present in case if you added something new one also it will add it. Okay, night time group. These are the three things. It is a mandatory. These three. Okay. By default whenever you create automatically it will create. Okay, and then it will give you the setup naming convention. This is the format of you can able to create for anything. Okay, and you can use for any global setup things also you can do it. Okay, a simple writing and simple things it will provide you. Okay, if you click for writing test, and it is basically it will provide you for whenever you click that one it will tell you that attributes. Okay, NUnit uses the custom attribute to identify the tests. Okay, whenever you want to do like identify the attribute is nothing but if you see setup is one kind of attribute, test is one kind of attribute. Similar format NUnit have so many attributes. You can see these are the attributes we have in our NUnit. Cancel after attribute, categorize the attribute. Categorize the attribute is most of the time we can able to use. Okay, and even maximum time attribute. Okay, categorize like when we can able to use, right, like smoke sanity. If you are dividing it that moment we can able to use this categorized. If you click it will provide some categorized framework how you can able to provide the categorized. Okay, anything you can able to provide it. Okay, and they can able to give you so many things they are provided attributes. Okay, basically this NUnit is basically attributes. By using the attributes you can able to do whatever you want. Okay, and they can able to provide some assertions. How many assertions we can able to use? Assert that assert classical asserts. Okay, there are so many asserts and you can able to see here. Okay, assert pass, assert fill, assert ignore, classical. Okay, and even assert throw. Like this we have so many assertions you can able to learn one by one. Okay, anything is possible. Now if you want to create a simple test case, okay, simple writing, or you can get and start. Okay, basically what they are saying that you can able to create for any naming convention with the .cs file. Okay, in the .cs file you can able to create it. Okay, I'm going to creating for one new file which is related to here. Okay, right clicking this particular one and creating here new class. Okay, and I'll provide for NUnit test demo.cs file. Okay, whenever you click and it will provide here. Okay, just make it as a public. Okay, and then come back here, and by default NUnit will provide for attributes, right? What kind of attribute we are going to take? Okay, before that you can see expand this test explorer. Okay, expand this particular project solution and here as well, and test. Okay, you can see only for this kind of things, right? Okay, C sharp having for one thing. Okay, and NUnit, that NUnit having for this particular things. Okay, and if you see NUnit has NUnit demo, but that particular NUnit demo it is not displaying here as of now, right? Now I'm going to here square braces. If you make that setup, okay, and if you click here public void setup. Okay, and then you can close it. See similar format which here it is there, the same format I'm going to create it. Okay, and this is my setup, and then I'm going to create info. test. Okay, basically we need to create the some test, right? Public. Okay, before writing the public, you can point this one, public void login. Okay, and then I'm going to use for here. Okay, now my unit is having this one, and once I saved it, you can see after saving you can able to see NUnit test demo. After saving you can able to see, before saving it is not displayed, after saving it is displayed, right? The similar format you can able to create for n number of things. Okay, and there is one more thing like tear down. Tear down is nothing but whenever you want to close something, which is after completion of entire suit, you want to close or something, you can able to use for this particular tear down. Okay, anything you can like Excel sheet or something, you can able to use for this tear down. Okay, this is a sample. Okay, now after that what we can able to do, we need to launch our driver. Okay, by default we can able to see, and if you see this is the basic step, right? And this browser opening and a basic step I'm going to pasting here. Okay, and if you see here, this is the one we need to use all the places. If you keep it, our script will be a fail. Without failing, I'm going to use for here to globally. Okay, and then I will mark it as a private. Okay, for the private item by default we can able to use the underscore in a C sharp. If you want you can use it, otherwise you can able to keep it like this without any issue. Okay, no problem whatever it is, and remove this. Okay, now this is called your setup file. Okay, in a setup file if you want to maximize the any driver you can able to use for driver dot manager dot window dot maximizing. Okay, this will say the maximizing that window. Okay, for the performance the field driver should be disposed in the method annotation. Yeah, we can see little bit this driver. Okay, once after closing the driver we need to log in, right? For the login also the custom methods we used, and also we used for some login functionality which is quite easy to use, right? And here the login page, and I'm going to create the login page object here. Okay, login page, login equal to a new login page. Okay, what it will accept for driver. Okay, and specifying the driver. Okay, and then we need to call it as a login. Okay, and I'm going to call for my login method. Okay, I'll mention for logs dot login, and we need to specify for two names. Okay, okay, basically we are doing for recruiters login. Okay, and I'll go here and click here, copying this one, and I'm pasting for two places. Okay, and then I'm saving this one, and I'm clicking for this one, I'm expanding this one and running this. Okay. What? Sorry, it is google.com. You know, it's logged perfectly, right? The similar format we can do it for NUnit. Okay. And next video session we can see that how we can able to create this NUnit features, and also how you can able to use that this attributes, how many ways we can able to use the attributes, and how you can able to run in the command. Those are the things we can able to in the next video session. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.